my name is Sarah. I founded a company called Basis, and our focus is renovation costs and the calculation of renovation costs, and finding an ideal solution and a true solution that can help our customers. So it was actually by coincidence that one of my friends told me about, and because I am from Basel, I originally was born and raised in Basel, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to join. Not in the aspect of believing that I would win, but it was more about the idea of having the opportunity to show what we want and getting somebody else's expertise. And then I was very surprised that I was chosen. Yeah, so I think one of the biggest things is at the beginning I did not quite know how to place my idea. So I had this idea because I come from the construction management side, so I knew where the problems lie in construction management, and I knew where the problems lie in calculating the cost for a renovation. But I wasn't quite clear, is it going to be a B2C business? Is it going to be a B2B business? Who would be interested in using the tool? And over the past 6 months, I really did a tour from B2B, no B2C, no whatever. And I think this was very helpful for me to find my position within the market. I think this program was a tremendous help. I think one of the biggest helps that I had was really having this coach, this weekly meeting with the coach, that I really had somebody that was helping me to stay focused, that was helping me in bouncing back ideas and things like that. And then of course they also offered other training. So we had like a workshop on pricing. My coach also organized a workshop on marketing, because you start off in a business, you have an idea, but you don't really know what other works and jobs and everything that is involved to run a startup. So getting this guidance I thought was very helpful. I think it was maybe sounds a little bit odd, but maybe the end of the program, because now you're like at a situation where I'm very sad that it's over, but I'm also very excited and I feel confident in taking the next steps. So I think that's always a good sign, right? Whenever there's change, you always have the two emotions. You have the two, then it feels like that I'm capable of doing it. And I think that is really important, that with all the hard work that the people gave that were participating in the challenge and helping us, and all the people like also that were selected, together we achieved a lot in the last 6 months, and now we're able to leave the nest. So for me, I think there's like 3 aspects that are like the near future one. One is definitely improving the user experience. So I want to improve the interaction with the tool, and also making it more automated and integrated into different environments. At the moment, there's a lot of manual work, which is taking my time away from like sales or marketing or things like that. So I want to improve it on that side to free more time so I can drive it. And then also look for partners, so people that have a similar, are in a similar area, and that we could use synergies and then start growing.